Genesis, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel down below and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a brand new video. And if you're not new, then welcome back. So today we're going to be attempting to do a DIY glitter face mask. And I also have these ears because like whenever I put on a face mask, I need something like to keep my hair back. So I have these cute ears to hold my hair back. So as you guys know, my posting dates are Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern time. I haven't been doing that lately and I totally apologize. That's just my fault. That's all on me. But that's just because it's summer and I've been having like a lot of fun lately. Like I've been going to Canby Lake a lot. I've been going to the pool. I went to a lake. I went to the beach once. So yeah, now I'm just so sorry that I haven't been posting. So now let's just start this glitter face mask. Okay guys, so this is a glitter face mask that me and my mom picked up from Five Below. As you guys can see, it was $5, so it's pretty cheap. Hopefully it works for how cheap it was. Never know. So the girl in the back, she looks really excited and happy, and the face mask itself looks really cool and pretty. And the girl in the front, like the animated one, she's also pretty. Like I love buns that are like that and like have the little side hair. I used to do that all the time when I had long hair, but then I cut it. Make sure you guys hit the eye up here to watch that video when I chopped my hair, almost all of my hair off. It was an experience. But yeah, so now let's just hop right into the video. So when you open it, that's what you see. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it doesn't look like a lot. Oh my god, I hate boxes that are like that. It's like stuck to the box. So this is what it comes with. This is all that's in it. In the back, it looks like so much more. And then it's like all fitted into this tiny bag. It's not even like the size of a bowl. Well, it kind of is, but like, not really. So, I'm going to open this up. You guys hear like, that's my dog. He's literally right next to me. What a ripoff. Look at how much glitter it comes with. And it's like, the rest is filled with air. I could get these glitters at like Michael's look at, the pink one is the only one that has more. And then it also comes with these 3 little Ziploc bags. These are bags to store your face masks in. Okay guys, so I think it's a strawberry scented face mask base, and I think it's just like a white face mask that's scented like strawberries. Wait, where are the instructions? Oh, in the back. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay guys, so I decided that I want to decorate these little baggies first. And I think I have an idea. So for the purple baggie, I want to do this color sticker. And it's like an ombre of like blue going into purple. I don't know if you guys can see that, but hopefully you can. And I'm just going to put that right in the middle. Hopefully I could do this because I like stink at putting things in the middle. Like for stickers, if I'm trying to put them like in a certain spot in the middle, I can't do that. It's like crooked. I did it again. Oh my god. Okay, I think I did it. Okay, I did it. There we go. There we go. It's in the middle. It's not really in the middle, but like it's close enough. And then the second sticker we're going to put on it is this one right here, and it says good vibes. I always have good vibes. So we're going to put that one right there. Also in the middle. And there we go. Just says good vibes on it right there. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with putting on the stickers, now it is time to actually start doing the face mask. So first it says, pour 1 face mask base into your bowl. So here's the face mask face mask base. Oh my god, it smells exactly like strawberries. It definitely does not feel like a face mask. It feels like a yogurt. It smells like yogurt, but it doesn't feel like a face mask thing at all. Okay guys, so the face mask, it does not look like a normal face mask at all. It literally looks like yogurt kind of. And it smells exactly like strawberry yogurt too. So we're going to, I think the first color I want to do is this turquoise one. It just looks really nice. I opened it. So then it says add glitter and mix. Okay, so let's add this in. I feel like we needed a smaller bowl. Okay, then it says mix. And also guys, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button for this video. Turn on your post notifications down below if you haven't already. And also, if you haven't yet, make sure you click that big red button down below that says subscribe on it.
We now return to your regular programming.
This is what I got. Hopefully it doesn't spill. Oh. And then next it says pour into a bag and brand it. So then we put this into a bag. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Just like that. This is hard. Okay. So this is how you pack it, you guys. But instead of me using my fingers to put it on my face, I'm just going to use this face mask thing that my mom gave me. Okay guys, so I also got a little mirror so I can see what I'm doing to my face. So now let's just start putting this on. And what I'm thinking about right now, is it even safe to put glitter on your face? All over your face? Comment down below if you know if it is, because I don't really know if it is. Because I've always seen, when I have glitter for slime, it would always say, if near eye, please, or in eye, contact doctor or something. So I'm kind of nervous to put it on. Okay. Okay, so it's on my brush, or my spatula. Ooh, that's cold. So that's how it's gonna look on my face. And on the picture, it looks darker. Like in person, it's like not even blue, it's just white, and you can see all the glitter. I don't trust this. Thumbnail time. It feels so weird. It feels like, I don't know what it feels like, but it just feels like so weird. I wonder if this like hydrates your skin, because normal face masks do. So how's you guys' summer going? Mine's is going great so far. Have any of you guys went back to school? I don't, but I go back to school soon. I go back to school on the 27th or 28th, the 27th. And also, you guys, what I also learned how to do this year, I learned how to do stand-up paddleboarding, and it was like really fun. So basically, I go to the Boys and Girls Club, and they do field trips for summer every year, and they take a certain amount of kids. And this year, they only took 4 kids from the Boys and Girls Club, or from there, and I was one of those kids who got chosen, and they gave me the permission slip, and my mom signed it for me, because I really wanted to go, but like, obviously she was a little bit scared at first, because like, it's water and God knows what could happen, God forbid, and that's how like parents are. They're just like that sometimes, like they like get protective, but I don't blame her. But so when we first got there, it was actually kind of nervous, because like what we were able to do sometimes was we were able to like jump off of our paddle boards into the water, and we were swimming in a river too, if any of you guys were wondering that. And it's also called the Charles River, so if you're like from around the Boston area, I meant, sorry about that, then you would know what that is, I think, right? Okay. looks totally different from the picture. I wonder if this is like gonna peel off my hair, like, because like whenever I have like those black face masks or I put them on, it's such a pain to take off your eyebrows or like your hair. If I'm like talking like this, that's because it's already drying a little bit. That's how it looks so far. But yeah, any single time I have like a black face mask or anything, I think that's just like black face masks in particular I meant. Like every black face mask that I've used always is a pain to get off. And then I also went to Marshall's one day with my mom and I got myself a face mask. It was a Unicorn Galaxy one. And it was gorgeous, like it was like a metallic purple. It was just a really nice color, and it had rainbow, not rainbow, it had holographic glitter stars inside of it. I'm gonna use the rest of the stuff that's in the bowl, you guys. But yeah, and that face mask was amazing. It didn't hurt at all when I took it off. And then a few weeks later, I tried to put on a black face mask. I felt like my skin was being burned. It hurt. Like, black face masks are a pain, you guys. Comment down below what's like the worst thing that's happened to you during beauty stuff. Like, what's the worst pain that you've had, like working with beauty supplies or stuff like that. Mine is obviously the black ones. That's why I keep talking about it. But beauty is pain, just like shaving or like waxing your armpits or something. Beauty is pain, and then snatch it. But yeah, I'm sorry about the barking, you guys. That's just my dog. But yeah, so after I'm done putting on this face mask, you guys, I'm going to do a comparison of the picture of like how the girl that's smiling looks compared to this. Okay, guys, so I'm all done, and this is how it looks. And this face mask, it's like a perfect amount to use for like that one time. Like it, like one back is enough for an entire face. So now let's do a comparison on the girl in the picture versus me. So how is she smiling? Okay, so she's like, okay guys, so last step, we have to wait 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm so impatient. That's why I said it like that. So, yeah. What I'm going to do is basically just play with my dogs, my cats, watch TV. Oh my god, I'm itchy. Okay, guys, so I will see you guys in 15 minutes.
Much later.
Okay, you guys, so it has been 15 minutes or maybe probably even a little bit more. We weren't even keeping track of time, but I was watching YouTube and video, the time that I was watching was for 15 minutes, but maybe it was longer. So now it is time to wash off this face. Don't worry, I'm not taking off my ears, because if I take off my ears, my hair is going to be a mess, and I don't want to look crazy on camera. Now you guys, let's just wash this off. Okay guys, so I just finished rinsing off my face, and obviously since it's glitter doesn't come off of your face that easy or off your skin really easy. You need to scrub it a lot and stuff like that. So I have my towel, and now I'm going to dry my face, and then after I'm going to show you guys what this cream is and why it's in the video. So now let's just take off all this glitter and dry off my face. And I just need to say, you guys, that I'm like so surprised, because my skin feels like amazing right now. It feels like hydrated and stuff. Okay, there we go. That's as much as of it that I can get off of my face. It's like hard to get off. So enough with the drying. Now I'm going to show you guys and explain to you guys what this cream is. So this is just a Avon Solutions Nutra replenishing cream. And this is like just feels good on my skin, and it just makes my face and skin feel really hydrated. So I put that on at nighttime, and that's like the only time I do it. I wash my face in the morning, like with Noxzema. And then I also, after that, I put on day cream for like the day. So a little bit, like even less than this, goes like a long way, but I use this much because I have a big face. So yeah, we're going to use this much. And I just put this all over my skin of my face. Guys, I am also only 11, so I don't really like do a lot of stuff for my face because like I'm still a kid and I'm like too young for that stuff still. I don't wear makeup and stuff like that. So all I do is this. And oh my god, guys, do you see how dark I look? All that sun from the summer, you guys. I also have a tan right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like right there. Okay, you guys, so I am all done putting on my cream, and now my face feels even more hydrated. And yeah, that's basically all I do for my face. And comment down below, what are some video requests? Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I sure did. I think the face mask was pretty good for $5. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below. And turn on your post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a brand new video. And don't forget, you guys, I am back on schedules for Tuesday and Thursday, 3 p.m. Eastern time. Bye, guys. Mwah.